Alright, the wind has really picked up here. Got some kind of hit there. Oh yeah. That's a nice one there. Nice one. Not as big as the last couple, but nice nonetheless. Paddle tail, weighted, flasher. That's what we're rocking here. There we go. Short, stubby football. Alright, there's that last little guy. Little football. Short. Nice belly though. He's feeding good. Let him go. Let him grow. Alright. I got one right up here in this grass. Felt like a nice... Oh, he let it right there. Son of a biscuit. That was a nice one. Well. Alright. I got some guy in that big thick grass there. Let's see if we can get him out. This is all dead grass from last year. So it's thick. There we go. Oh yeah. That's another nice one right there. Hello, beauty. Oh, another well-fed tail bender. Pretty colors. Thick, short. But that's okay. Alright, switched that up a little bit. Went with the perch. The 3.5 inch paddle tail. Unweighted. Playing in these little weeds over here. Nice little fella. He's right at 2 pounds. Little chunker. I got about 4 bites in these weeds here. That other one you saw came off was a big one. So I'm just hanging out here now. Alright. Got us another nice bite here. He got me right up close to the yak here. Looks like a pretty good sized one too. Oh yeah. That's a nice one there. That's a nice one. We got you, baby. We got you, baby. We got you, baby. We got you, baby. Look at that hook barely in. Ooh, man. That's a nice one right there. Yeah, we'll scale her up. Oh yeah. 3.97. Thank you. Another solid. Idea what we're working with there. Hiding in these dead weeds over here. Well fed. Chunk. Pre-spawn. As the water's 45 degrees.